Here's one of the sharpest midsize SUVs to hit the market in a long time. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this absolutely gorgeous 2025 Nissan Murano SV. Y'all, this thing is just like new and it's got crazy low miles. Around back, rear park assist sensors, lots and lots of cargo room. Power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Really cool 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with a great set of tires. Plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. They also have the comfort and convenience of rear heating and air vents and dual USB charging ports in the back of the center console. It's Everest white pearl with graphite leather interior. Tinted windows, color key door handles, contrasting black mirror caps. LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, forward collision sensor, front park assist. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Bucket seats, power seat, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Electronic parking brake, power liftgate controls. Automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got paddle shifters, intelligent cruise, audio controls, Bluetooth, and trip computer functions. Only 5,400 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, push button start, dual zone climate control, more USB ports, factory wireless inductive cell phone charging, push button console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Nissan Murano SV, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.